Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. So today I am gonna do the usual weekly analysis for the pair that we already discussed last week. Okay, so for Euro CHF on daily, we already seen that price already hit our take profit target. Okay, we are targeting for Euro CHF to have a pull, a flat, and a pull. Okay, so now price already went down more than we expected, and right now making a pullback. Okay, so this pullback entry, if we can see right now, actually we can have a trade zone. Okay, so the one that we already trade, we can delete it. Okay, the zone that we do not use anymore, delete all selected. Okay, so we can have maybe over here move. Okay, because we are still targeting for price to be down here, so maybe we can have a chance to have an add position from this pullback. Okay, so let's see. Okay, if we want to take over here, okay, maybe just over here. Alright, so for Euro HF, I am still hoping the price will go down to here. Okay, so let's go to the next pair. So on GBP USD, price still praying inside this range. Okay, so price approaching the expanding triangle that I already drawn, and still doesn't went to our entry zone. Okay, suggested entry zone. So right now we just wait. Okay, in the zone. Alright, so CHF if you see here, price already do some price action and already went about 50 pips respecting this trend line. Okay, so if some of you did watch my Instagram story, I already made an entry up here using a decision point. Okay, so wait. Okay, so this is our SL. Actually, if we go on H4, uh, price just barely reach our level of cut loss. Okay, so let me delete this one also, this one also. Okay, so on H4 we can have this one as our base. Okay, so I am expecting price to do another retrace up to here and went down again. Alright, okay, so that is my expectation. Okay, but if you watch my Instagram story, I also have an entry just above here. Okay, so that is another chance for us to have a trade on CHF JPY. So on GBP JPY, price already went inside our zone and already running profit. Okay, so we float about 20 pips and right now are running for 80 pips. Okay, so it's approaching another 13 pips for our first TP, and our second take profit another 60 pips. So for GBP JPY, we just hold our position, and whoever got this trade just need to break even. Alright, so for USD CHF, price did not respect this space. Instead, it went up. Okay, so in this case, delete. Okay, I see that this space looks quite good for this for price to do a little retracement. Okay, so maybe price will go up to here, maybe up to this support become resistance, maybe to this zone, and our stop loss zone is just above here. Okay, so maybe price will go up here and went down there. Okay, again, so that's it for USD CHF. And for NZD/JPY, if you are trading by this zone, we might be already stop loss. But if you follow my Instagram story, I'm using this space as a signal for me to hold my position. Okay, so actually I have an instant rate up here and float about 40 pips, and right now I'm running about 70 pips. Okay, so price already broken this, and it got another obstacle, which is this rally based rally. Okay, so it's already broken. Maybe if we have another candle just to confirm this breakout, and we can get a retrace. Okay, just maybe. Okay, we want another candle to form down and then went up before it went down again. Okay, so that's it for NZD/JPY. So whoever got this trade, you can break even. Okay, so for Euro GBP, okay, if you see here, price respected our base up here. You can delete this. Okay, so price respected this base, and this one got a little float, so we delete that. Okay, so you already got a reaction from this base and went down about 100 pips, but it still doesn't break the support. Okay, it need to break. This one doesn't consider as break because there is no break with body. So for us to have a down movement for Euro GBP, we need something to break this support first. So that's it for Euro GBP. Still need to break something. Okay, need to do a little breakout. Breakout is our confirmation. Okay, we want a breakout. Okay, so for USD/JPY, price already went up respecting this demand. Actually, this demand already pushed the price and break our zone. This one already given a loss, but price already went into the double top zone. Okay, so this double top might be able to hold price. If you see here, this is also a HNS, a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, head and shoulder pattern. So up here, just maybe if we want to retrace, let me change the color. Okay, maybe if it want to retrace more than this, it will do something like inside the NZD/JPY, something like this, just above the zone. Okay, so this one delete. So the zone that already broken still can be used for our take profit target. Okay, so that is my analysis. Okay, otherwise you can also enter at this space. Okay, if you are not afraid to float about 40 pips inside this zone, or you can also wait inside this swap zone for an entry here with a risk of 60 pips. Okay, so for CAD/JPY, so we already drawn the double bottom setup. Let's see at H4, and we can see a QM pattern, and we float about 20 pips, and the maximum it went about 36 pip, and right now it's about 20 pips. Okay, so price can still go up to here. Okay, so we asked whoever got this trade, you can break even and just wait for price to went to this resistance. Okay, because it is still in an uptrend. Okay, so on GBP NZD, price reach our golden zone the zone above this support become resistant, and already dropped about 65 pips. Okay, so we are expecting price to at least go to this pink level first, and we want a little breakout for us to have a confirmation. So we just wait for it to break up to not to break, to run up to this pink zone. Alright, so that's it for GBP and ZD. And for USD CHF, oh no, I think that's it. GBP and ZD is the last pair that we discussed last week, and most of the trade can be instant entry, and the price action also looks really good. So based on your preference and your experience, please take a good care of your money. Use proper money management when following my trade, and may the profit be with us, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.